Today I want to show you how to create easy, natural, full eyebrows using just one product, the tinted brow gel. This is a before shot, and then this is an after shot, and here's a side-by-side for you, before and after using the tinted brow gel. It comes in 3 different shades: blonde, and then we have auburn for the medium brown and auburn hair, and the dark brown, that's for dark brown and black hair. I'll be using the blonde brow gel for myself in this tutorial. And what you're going to do is you're just going to apply upward strokes, filling in that brow and teaming it. And then you're going to fill in any sparse areas that you may have with the tip applicator. The final step is just to brush and set, and that is it. Quick and easy, soft, full, natural looking brows. For more clean, cruelty-free products, check out sh.cosmetics.com.